Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 10 to 16, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So, let's see, Sag. Weekly energy for you. Safe travel. Keep me safe and let me roam far away but bring me home. Wow. So, if you are planning to travel to any place, long distance man yan, short distance, by boat, especially by boat, so you are very safe. Yung ba sa inyo, baka kayo ay seafarer. Nagbabarko. Also have passion. So I think you're going to be passionate in whatever you do right now, no? Pwedeng sa career path mo yan, sa business mo, or even sa relationship na meron ka ngayon. You also have divine guidance. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, Sag, meron kayong mga signs na nakukuha from universe about dun sa path na gusto nyong i-take. So, example, gusto nyong mag-business, may kayo ng sign sa universe na kung talagang para dun kayo, no? Para dun talaga kayo sa pagbi-business o kaya para dun talaga kayo sa company na yan or trabaho na yan. So, pay attention to that kasi meron niyang mga signs na ipapakita sa'yo through your dreams or through the things that you see, yung mga subliminals na nakikita mo araw-araw. And ang pinaka-importante is to ask for signs. 'Di ba? Pwedeng mga repeating numbers. Or sabihin mo, kapag ganito po yung nangyari, ibig sabihin, kalooban mo to. 'Di ba yung mga ganon? So, kayo nang bahala. Diba, pag nakakita kayo ng puting kalapate, ibig sabihin, kalooban yung mga plano nyo na makakabuti para sa inyo yon, whatever you are manifesting. So, your overall energy is the 9 of Coins. Napakaganda. 9 of Coins is financial stability. This is independence, no? Yung iba sa inyo, kahit kayo ay mag-isa lang, kayang-kaya nyo na supportahan yung sarili ninyo nang hindi kayo umaasa sa iba. This can also mean stability in your income, in your business. And then your challenge is the King of Wands. As a challenge, may mga times na nawawalan ka ng interest sa mga bagay-bagay na dati very much interested ka. Baka minsan kasi parang bugso ng damdamin or parang na-influence lang tayo ng iba kaya natin nagustuhan yun. Oo. So ngayon, you will realize ano talaga yung gusto mo at ano yung ayaw mo. Your opportunity, the Empress, ang ganda. As an opportunity, this is your stability, this is abundance. So, meron kang opportunity na ma-harness yung iyong kakayanan, yung iyong talento, yung skill set mo to generate more abundance in your life. So, pwede rin tong you are learning new things, you are expanding your business, you are improving yourself. You also have the opportunity to take care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. Your blessing is the Lovers. Sag, meron dalawa rito na na relationship yung So, maaring the blessing here is a romantic relationship. So, kung single ka, possible na may mamuong bagong relationship or romantic connection. But if you're already in a relationship, I see you spending more time with your partner. Yung iba naman, this is a blessing of para siyang agreement. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, may bago kayong kontrata, no? Kontrata sa project nyo, kontrata sa trabaho nyo, or sa business ninyo. So, let's see what else. Sagittarius. Okay. Letter. So, meron ditong importanteng message. Maaring galing to sa kaibigan or sa malayo. You have a mice. Okay. Pay attention sa mga taong nakakasama mo, nakakasalamuha mo. Kasi pwedeng meron ditong someone is trying, it's like draining your energy. Oo. Or meron dito na hindi mapagkakatiwalaan sa resources or sa pera or gamit, ha. So be careful. Protect your energies and take care of your belongings. Oo. Stars about success. This is about yung kung gaano mo kagusto yung mga pangarap mo na magkatotoo. Kasi ayun na naman, divine guidance, like you are, di ba ang star para siyang guiding light, no? So I see you being guided towards your destiny, towards your life purpose. Kaya mas maganda na maging sensitive ka sa mga pinapakita sa yung senyales. Money, career, finances. You have the Queen of Swords. You have the Four of Cups. Okay. Maaring meron kayong, kung kayo ay merong mga sinusuportahan na financially, na alam nyong hindi nyo naman na obligasyon, yung iba maaring magka-cut off kayo ng support sa kanila, lalo na kung nakikita mo na hindi sila grateful sa tulong mo. Let's say parang halimbawa kung kayo OFW, tapos yung inyong family or someone na sinusuportahan mo financially is hindi grateful, tapos hingi lang ng hingi sa'yo, you may be cutting off support or assistance sa kanila. Or you may be focusing on what's important para sa'yo pagdating sa finances mo, na tipong anything that is unhealthy para sa'yo sa finances mo, you're going to let go of that. Something better awaits. Yung iba naman, baka kayo ay magre-resign. May aalisan kayo na situation sa trabaho dahil meron na kayong bagong ipupursue. This can be a new job, a new career path, or a business. Sa love life, you have the King of Cups and the Three of Wands. Makes sense, no? Kasi may mga the lovers dito and passion. So, if you are in a relationship right now, I think mas lalong nag-grow yung relationship ninyo, no? Ayan. May flirting. So, I think you are spending more time with your partner, going on a date. Yung parang mas, kumbaga nire-recharge nyo yung inyong energy for each other, or parang, kumbaga sa ang tawag doon, yung parang ini-ignite nyo ulit yung inyong relationship na mas maging passionate sa isa't isa. If you're single, there is someone na talagang gustong-gusto ka. Like, gagawin ang lahat para mapansin mo siya at para magkaroon kayo ng relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.